2016, my friends Celie and I landed in Vietnam with no plans. We booked a ticket from Chiang Mai, Thailand to Hanoi, where we would set the calendars aside and take this trip one day at a time. If I'm being straight, this travel vlog doesn't have an existential cheesy story. It's just two guys tasked with the impossible mission of crossing the road without getting themselves killed.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, Chief. Oh, buddy went for it.
Buddy almost ran over my foot.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're back here at Old Quarter. This time we're cooking our own dinner tonight. Still haven't really figured out how to hold chopsticks properly, but this will have to do, Chief. Yeah, so we're just about gonna get ready to eat in a few minutes here, and I think it's gonna be pretty tasty. Oh yeah,
maybe some grilled pineapple if I can pick it up.
Yep. Way hotter.
10.
Alright, Celie and I just bought some mini donuts.
Oh yeah. This little bag right here, it's probably got like 10 donuts in it. Just over $1. But actually, since we paid half each, it's literally 50 cents each for like 10 donuts. And
I can safely say that all that hype was for nothing.
it's literally just a pound of dough.
They ain't no Timbits, Chief. They ain't no Timbits. Hey, guy. I don't know what they're saying.
Okay, tụi
Beer.
Which one's better?
No.
Tụi
Let's get the Tiger.
Yeah, Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger,
Two
too. Yeah.
Tiger.
Is it like a competition?
Yeah,
We're at the beer corner.
it's just weird that there's some random chickens right there, eh?
Oh shit.
Just in the middle of the city.
What the?
Alright, so Celie and I just made it to Train Street, which is a really neat street where the train goes right through these very narrow buildings.
Yeah, alright, so the train's about to come by and they positioned us right along.
Right along the wall so we don't die.
Yes, we don't get mocked.
That was so loud.
That was so loud.
Oh my god.
So this was a bottle cap that we put on the train tracks from our beer, and the train crushed it into one of these.
Oh yeah. We're getting ready to go on this boat tour in Ha Long Bay, Vietnam.
Yeah,
they're making us wear life jackets because we don't know how to swim. We're
No.
Canadians, right?
Yeah, we don't know.
We don't know.
Alright, so this is our room the next day. It's pretty tiny, but it's really nice.
Yeah, it's rock hard.
Our bed's just a rock.
Hey, bud.
Hey,
You
bud.
taking a grumpy?
Haven't decided if I want to take a grumpy or just take a piss, but yeah.
Haven't decided yet?
Yeah, it might be one of those things where I'm mid-piss and I'm like, oh, this is not just a piss.
So sat down for lunch, and these Australian guys, they convinced us to try some mussels, some squid, and some shrimp. And so we tried it all, and it was I thought it was pretty good, but
it wasn't terrible.
we had to peel. Like when we grabbed the shrimp, you could see its little eyes, and we had to peel them, and it's kind of weird, but it didn't taste too bad.
It wasn't too shabby.
10 out of 10 lunch, I'd say.
Yeah.
We are in Surprise Cave right now, and it turns out the biggest surprise about this place is the fact that there's so many tourists here.
Look how crowded this beach is. It's nuts.
This is the best part of T-Top right now.
Yeah.
Well, the view is pretty good, but that lady just got beamed.
He's about to make a gun. Oh. It's a nice throw in. Oh, let's go.
Buddy tried for a bicycle.
Yeah, buddy. The amount of people on this island is nuts.
All right, so we're just back on the boat, and next activity is a cooking class, so we'll see how that goes. Glass of wine this time of year.
After you make it, you can dip with a fish sauce and you can.
Fresh on the spring rolls.
That's a tight roll.
Is it tight?
I think that is a very tight roll.
It's a tight roll. How is it, Chief?
Rice pepper's pretty gross.
Alright, so they're just fishing for squid right now. Any luck so far, Chief?
No bites tonight.
No bites tonight. Guess we're going hungry. Alright, so we just got back from our Ha Long Bay tour. We're back in Hanoi just for the night, and then tomorrow at 8 in the morning we head out again for another tour, this time to Ninh Binh down south, and then after that day trip down there, we're heading up to Sapa for 2 nights. So it's gonna be 3 days on top of 3 days, or 3 days on top of 2 days of already travel. It's gonna be hectic, it's gonna be fun, gonna be adventurous, can't wait for it. And yeah, so
I'm still in the same area.
yeah.
Jesus. We weaving.
Yeah, I almost got ran over there.
Like 4 times. Alright, so we got some rooftop pizza. That's my day for the
It's
night.
looking pretty good.
Looking pretty spicy.
That's my day for the night.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
We're just taking a romantic stroll.
This is what happens when your Angus steals your only woman.
Yeah, exactly.
We're eating like kings, I guess.
Oh yeah. It's just like
It's as big as a mountain.
I was just about to say that. I was just going to say how it's in game plan, how it's like a big plate, and that's why I went like this. Yeah.
Alright, I got the white stallion.
I'm on reliable golden boy.
Reliable golden boy. We're going for a half an hour bike ride. Hey Bog, how's it going, buddy?
Just a little chilly.
Alright, so we're just doing this little bike ride through the valley and through all the rice terraces, and it is incredible here. It's so beautiful. I have it all to myself right now. Kind of lost my group. They're way up ahead, so I better catch up. Alright guys, we are in Tam Coc right now, just south of Hanoi, and it is beautiful here. You can see the limestone cliffs just jetting out of the land, and we're just floating on down the river.
Yeah, it's pretty nice here. I'm kind of cold, but I like it.
Yeah. And you're wearing a hoodie. I'm just wearing a short sleeve.
Yeah, well, we all know that I'm just. Well, I can't really say that because
You're a
I'm
shirley boy.
censoring this. Yeah, I'm a shivery boy.
Wait, why can't you say that? You're a shivery boy.
Well, I wasn't gonna say that, bro.